According to information published by Politico indicated that the United States is considering sending the AGM-154 glide bomb to Ukraine as part of a new $375 million military aid package. This advanced precision-guided munition is expected to significantly enhance the operational effectiveness of Ukraine's new fleet of F-16 fighter jets. During exercise Scorpion Longbow in July, British Army soldiers deploys new Archer howitzer showcasing the artillery system's advanced mobility, rapid-fire capabilities and long-range precision. The German arms manufacturing giant Rheinmetall has successfully tested its Skyranger 35 air defense system on the Leopard 1 tank chassis. The Skyranger 35 is designed to protect both moving and fixed assets from low-flying aerial threats such as drones and helicopters. Indonesia is expected to receive its first A400M tactical transport aircraft from Airbus Defence and Space by late 2025. The Indonesian's version will be equipped with underwing pods designed for refueling combat aircraft. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions announced that it had received $79.8 million order for supply of 60 BQM-167A aircraft. The BQM-167A is a remotely controlled, subscale target drone designed to provide a threat representative target and weapon system evaluation program.